Apparently, the president of South Africa got $4 million stolen from him and he didn't call the SAPS. Cyril, I always thought you were out of touch with South Africans, but not calling our police when a crime has happened to you is the most South African thing ever. Cyril knows when our police say they're dealing with the case, it means they're having beers.
There is no honor among thieves, that much you can tell. Playing money laundering on a game from Manzur. The president was not at home, no at home. Limpopo, you mean you saw nothing? Mzanzi, another 60 million. Ramaphosa, who took the money? By the way, Ramaphosa, whose money was it? Ramaphosa, who took the money? By the way, Ramaphosa, whose money was it? Who took the money? By the way, Ramaphosa, whose money was it? They came across the Orange River. Oh, Limpopo.
Instead of reporting the matter to the police station, you pay the suspects 150,000.
And then they sneak back quietly across the Orange River. Oh,
You really are South African because you understand that crime pays. I haven't felt more closer to our president than I do today. Even during those family meetings, you felt more like the rich uncle from the suburbs who wants to come tell us what to do. You've redeemed yourself, Cyril.
Ramaphosa, who took the money? By the way, Ramaphosa, whose money was it? Ramaphosa, who took the money? By the way, Ramaphosa, whose money was it? Who took the money? By the way, Ramaphosa, whose money was it?
I remain fully focused on the task that I have been given.
You have taken a taxi and went to stand in line at Capitec. Get the full South African experience. But this is the most South African you've ever been. Well done, OMC.
Alleges that Ramaphosa did not report the crime to the authorities